What's up, YouTube? This is the Internet Income Ninja with another amazing video for you to be able to help you to make money online. That is what this channel is about. That is what this video is about, and that is what you should be about, making money online. Guys, if you're returning, I do invite you to show some love and hit that subscribe button. Smash the notification bell like that. Like the video, comment on the video, and share it with every single person you know. This helps the videos go out to more people, and it helps put you at the head of the line. Why is that important? Well, it's a global marketplace. It's not like back in the day where only people within a certain city had the opportunity to earn money from specific places in that city. Now, if a job is in New York, you have people applying from Russia, you have people applying from other cities like New Jersey, that's a state, like Atlantic City, Ocean City. All the other states have big cities and they're applying for that one job. Now the people in China, people in Europe are applying for that one job. So it's a global market, and you need to make sure that you are at the head of the line to make sure that you get the best opportunity, the best chances to land those leading roles and make the best amount of money. Now guys, if you're not one to work a 9-to-5, or you've done the 9-to-5 thing and you're tired of it, and you've always wanted to start a business but never thought you knew how, you want someone who's been proven, has built multiple 6-7 figure businesses over and over again, someone who's proven success, then check the links in the description below to get started on earning money from your own multiple 6-figure business that you can build online from the comfort of home using your computer, your internet, and possibly your cell phone. So check those links in the description below. I'll say less and jump into this week's video. Now this video is about a full stack engineer that's wanted at Substack, and they're looking for a full-time position to be filled working from home. And this job is international, and by international I mean international. Alright? Not remote. You have to live in the US, but it is truly international. If you're living in India and you meet the criteria, you're all set. Doesn't matter where you live, as long as you get the work done and you have good internet connection and you deliver what is required. Now, let's just jump into this. Substack lets writers connect with their audience on their own terms and earn money doing it. We make it simple for writers to publish to an email list that they own, get discovered on the web, and charge for subscriptions. More than 500,000 people pay to subscribe to writers across the Substack network, and the top writers make millions of dollars a year. Substack's model depends on the success of writers using Substack. We only make money when they do. So Substack gets a commission or a cut of whatever earnings that these writers make. Now Substack makes it dead simple to start a newsletter and get paid for it. Judd Legum, author of Popular Information. Another review says, Substack gives me a way to connect with my audience on my own terms. Liz Lenz, author of Godland and Men Yell at Me. Now make something that matters. Great writing is valuable. It respects readers' time, their intelligence, and their trust. It helps us make sense of and change the culture we live in. At Substack, we're building a business model that enables great writing to thrive. Learn more about our opportunity and mission. We are a small but growing team, and there is more to build than we could ever imagine. That's why we need you. We believe that engineering is in service to the community of writers and readers on Substack. We're successful when they're successful. We aim to take pragmatic approaches to problem solving while shipping high quality products that allow the writing on Substack to take the spotlight. Every person at the company participates in customer support. We do this to build empathy with our users and enable us to build better products. We believe that a diverse team will help us build a product that best serves the needs of a wildly diverse ecosystem of writers. So whatever your background or perspective, we'd welcome your input to help build the best possible version of Substack. Okay? So engineering at Substack, Full stack engineers at Substack are responsible for the core product platform, from front-end UI and testing to APIs, low-level services, and database operations. Full stack engineers work in close partnership with designers, product thinkers, and customers directly to build out new product offerings and tooling across the platform. They are on the front lines of product development and are responsible for creating what's next for Substack. Right. Now, your responsibilities as the full stack engineer: you are to develop the core Substack product for readers and writers. This is a dynamic organization with needs across the board. We expect that engineers can jump into any area of the product, learn quickly, and add value. Scale systems to handle ever-increasing load and a fast-growing ecosystem of writers and readers. Contribute to the whole product process in collaboration with designers, writers, support staff, and many others. From product concept and research to implementation and deployment, we expect you to own your work and deliver high-quality solutions. Work directly with customers to solve their problems. The entire company, CEO included, participates in customer support in order to drive empathy for our users and help us build better products. We work with JavaScript, especially Node or Express and React, and Postgres. It's helpful if you know these technologies already. If not, we'll be excited to help you learn. Our requirements: they want you to have at least 5 years of software engineering experience. You can contribute across the full web stack, but may have a deeper passion for certain technologies and systems. Independent and autonomous. We're too small to micromanage and expect that every person at the company owns their work and can be a leader. Hold yourself and others to a high standard when working on product systems. Take pride in building elegant and delightful product experiences. Substack works best when it gets out of the way so writers can focus on writing and connecting with their readers. Enjoy collaboration with a diverse group of thinkers while bringing our own unique experience and background to the team. You need to believe in Substack's mission to build a better business model for writing. And they made a disclaimer that this job is remote friendly in the continental US or Canada. Substack is an equal opportunity employer. All applicants will be considered for employment without regard to race, color, religion, sex, sexual orientation, gender identity, national origin, veteran, or disability status. We're seeking people passionate about enabling independent expression and building a better business model for creators. If you want to see what media, communities, and content can become when unmoored from advertising models, and you have the skills and experience to contribute, we'd love to meet you. Alright, now I did make a boo-boo. Earlier I did say that this particular role was international for everywhere. My bad, I made a mistake. It happens. When I was looking at this, I did not remember this bit of information, but we learn, right? Okay, so they're not exactly looking for people from Russia or India or Europe, but they are indeed looking for people living in the US or Canada. Okay, so anyone in the continental US or Canada is who they are looking for as a full stack engineer to fill this role. So my apologies, but I hope that this information still gets across to who it needs to get across to in order for you to apply, because this was posted 21 hours ago and you need to get on that in order to secure that bag. If you want to see what Substack looks like, presseth that link. Their website poppeth up. And welcome to Substack. Okay, so Substack is a place for independent writing, and if anyone wants to try their hands at writing, then go on their website and see how best you can make money on their website. And see, this is another way that you can make money if you're a writer, is to write through Substack's platform. Okay. Alright, so you can switch to Substack from other platforms. There are many people who are writing and not necessarily getting the money that they should be getting, so you can get paid. You can look at their resources, their events, and growing with Substack. Or if you want to work for Substack directly, which this job role is, if there are other types of jobs that you might be interested in, you can click careers and you can see what Substack has to offer. So don't just think one-dimensionally, oh, the Internet Income Ninja posted a lead, let me follow this lead. If that lead leads to another lead, follow it. If that followed lead leads to another, follow that lead as well. Okay? It may not necessarily be that you clicked on the video because you're particularly interested in that role. It could be that something deep inside said, click that video. And maybe that video would lead you to some bit of information that will help you get something else. And not necessarily what was advertised on the thumbnail or the description, but just a gut instinct that said that could take me to something greater or something that I'm actually looking for. So pay attention to those thoughts and feelings. You are a ninja. Sometimes your intuition calls some things forth that you wonder, why am I thinking about this? Like subscribing, hitting the notification bell, liking, comment, and sharing. You never know why. I mean, it could be just you showing support. It could be that you had a deep feeling to subscribe because what's coming next is mind-blowing. And it's actually going to help you get ahead. So guys, thanks for watching. I appreciate you. Stay safe. Follow this lead. Follow it now. See you guys in the next one. Thanks for subscribing and hitting the notification bell. Peace.